Welcome to River City Hearing, your trusted provider for comprehensive hearing tests in Peoria, Illinois. Experience personalized care for your hearing health. Detailed hearing assessments. Our certified hearing instrument specialists conduct detailed hearing tests tailored to your unique needs, ensuring accurate assessments and personalized recommendations. Advanced testing techniques. Using state-of-the-art equipment and techniques, we provide thorough evaluations to understand your hearing profile and address any hearing challenges. Custom hearing solutions. Based on your hearing test results, we offer custom-fitted hearing aids and specialized treatments to improve your hearing and overall quality of life. Expert care and support. Our skilled professionals offer ongoing support and follow-up care, ensuring you receive the best possible outcomes for your hearing health. Contact us today. Visit River City Hearing in Peoria, Illinois, or call us at 309-685-5777 to schedule your comprehensive hearing test. Trust our experts for the best in hearing care.